This girl just runs out. It's like, I'm like, oh hell. I don't know what to say. This car is too much fun. So we just took out the Audi R8. This is a V8. It has the old DCT transmission. It is off the chain. The old DCT transmission actually adds like a lot of character to this car. We've been talking about how the new transmission always shifts quickly and feels like a proper daily driver with you know, the number of people that daily drive this car now. This thing takes a long time to shift unless it's in sport mode, and it's actually really fun. So we took it out, took it around the block, super fun. Thanks, Andrew. Andrew works at Audi of Wichita, so you should go talk to him if you want to buy a car, especially any Audi, obviously. This car is amazing. All right, thanks, man.
I can't believe it's not butter.